Hello and welcome in this tutorial on how to use the valuation with multiples comparable companies financial model template. So this template will allow you to estimate the value of a target company based on the value of comparable companies, listed comparable companies, public comparable companies. So in the inputs tab, you can fill in the inputs of the target company. So the income statement inputs like revenues, cost of goods sold, selling general administrative expenses, and so on. And then same for balance sheet. And then after you select the companies that you want to consider, you can fill in the revenues, EBITDA, EBIT, and so on of those of these companies. Once this is done, in the next tab, you will find the multiples calculation. So here you can find all the resulting multiples for each of the companies, both equity side and asset side, with price to earning, price to book value, enterprise values to sales, EBITDA and EBIT. And then we calculate, of course, the average, median, minimum, and maximum of each multiple, so that in the company valuation tab, we can create a valuation fork, both for equities and multiples with the equity value average, median, minimum, and maximum, which is basically the value of the target company, using the average multiple, median multiple, minimum, and maximum multiple. And then same for asset side, where we derive enterprise value first and then equity value as well.